Now, there is a way to make money from online surveys without actually doing any of the surveys, watching the videos on those sites, or doing anything else on those sites. And what I'm talking about here is signing up for affiliate programs for these online survey sites. So then when you refer people to these online survey sites, you will get paid commissions. The payout may be different for different online survey sites. I know of one survey site that will pay you a percentage of the referral's earnings during their lifetime as a member of that site. And I actually know of somebody who's making a few $100s per month from affiliate marketing using online survey sites. There's actually somebody that made a video recommending various online survey sites, and he put his affiliate links in the description field. And I heard he's making more money from these affiliate links than he's actually making from doing the surveys himself. To sign up for their affiliate programs, usually you can find links to their affiliate sign up pages on the bottom of the website. So for example, for this online survey site, mypoints.com, you can go to partnerships and just click on affiliates.